My dreams are a place where I live out and enjoy the new life I'm creating for myself. I'm now in control in my dreams and can create the life I want to live in my wakeful state effortlessly. All my dreams support me in the changes I'm making and are the place where I live my new, happy, prosperous lifestyle. All of my positive affirmations are available to my conscious and subconscious mind and replay as needed for my benefit. My dreams are all supportive of the new life I'm creating. My dreams are a place for self-discovery, where I uncover and resolve blocks that have kept me from progressing rapidly. I am always safe and protected while awake or asleep. I'm safe at all times and in all places. I always have sentinels and guardians inside my dreams to guide my dreams to a positive conclusion and help me interpret my dreams while in the dream or after I awake. I can easily enter and exit my dreams. I can command anyone to leave my dreams permanently. I'm in a place of power and control in all my dreams. All of the old recurring dreams are now free to surface for resolution. The symbols in my dreams are easily recognizable and clearly understood by me. I am in control of my dreams, even in a subconscious state, and can manipulate my dreams to reflect my new life and positive changes. My dreams always conclude with a positive, empowering resolution. My subconscious mind works in harmony with my goals and affirmations. I'm progressing exponentially as I take control of my dreams and program my subconscious mind to support my conscious desires and goals. I creatively resolve all difficulty or disharmony within my dreams. There are limitless possibilities open to me in the positive resolution of conflict or problems within my dreams. My vivid imagination comes to my aid in problem solving within my dreams. My dreams are a powerful tool in my control to create the life I want to lead. I'm always in control of the events in my dreams and can manipulate my dreams to work for my highest purposes. I'm easily able to recall dreams that need resolutions and work on them. All my dreams work for my benefit in helping me achieve my goals and ambitions. I can fly in my dreams. I can talk to people and animals in my dreams. I can visit anywhere I want in my dreams. I can learn hidden truths in my dreams. I can receive messages and guidance from God or my higher source in my dreams, as God did in the Bible to those who seek Him. I can overcome any difficulty in my dreams.